Good afternoon, everybody. So we'll continue with some practice. First, we'll start with calling some of you to the board, and as we were doing last time. Madam, I will start the opposite way around. Come once. Okay. Acha. So take any two words. Any word from the first two lines. I'm sorry. Any word from the first two lines, and make a sentence with where we have a subject, we have a be verb and third form. मतलब जैसे I was stolen, he was. It happens to be a passive sentence. Yes, that's a good spot. Yes, that's a very good spot. So I will ask you to have subject plus be verb plus third form. So what madam said, that's kind of correct. When we are given that kind of a structure, subject plus be verb plus third form, generally, mostly, almost always it is passive. Okay, so it's a good spot, right? What is this form? Passive or active? Passive. Okay, now you will understand why I gave you the example to start with. How do you make it to active? I knew this is going to come, that's why. To the class I am asking basically, mostly, and also you madam, how do you make it active? Or not you? You take a word from the next two lines, third and fourth.
The public caught the thief in the market.
Third and fourth, take a word and make be plus third form. Yes, sorry, I missed.
Public caught the thief in the market.
You have more confidence in public than police, it seems. That's fine. So we'll write the sentence and we'll do the voice change orally here with the class. Okay.
Select your word now itself.
Okay. Fifth and sixth lines, any word. This is nice. We will have fun with this. Okay. First you explain the sentence and the meaning to the class. The yield of the farm was improved using fertilizers. Right? It's all right? I think it's all right. Yes. और इसका मतलब क्या है? फार्म का जो मतलब हाँ खेत का जो फसल ज़्यादा हो रहा है ये बोलना आप चाहते हो. राइट, नाइस वन. चेंज इट टू एक्टिव.
I think fertilizers will be a subject this time.
Think a little more carefully.
Okay.
You are close, but not close enough. And others also I am asking if they have some idea. I am asking everybody to convert it to active. You are one of them. Good.
I think it will be like fertilizer improve the yield of farm.
Fertilizer was used to increase the yield.
और थोड़ा कुछ सोचो. पास हो. एग्जाम होता तो दो में एक मिलता. Tell me one thing. Just forget this sentence for a moment. Suppose I write a sentence like this. Singing songs is a nice habit. Okay. तो इसमें songs तो noun है. तो singing songs पूरा मिला के ही एक noun. Actually, I am not going into those things, noun phrases and all that. But yes, that's the thing I am expecting. Using fertilizers improves the yield of the farm. That's fairly good enough. I mean, perhaps the best one. I think so. आप लिख सकते हो यूसेज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर्स और ये वो क्योंकि आपको लग रहा है कि यूजिंग को नाउन कर सकते हैं क्या, लेकिन यूजिंग मतलब यहाँ पे द हैबिट ऑफ यूजिंग, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट हैबिट, सो इट्स ऑल्सो अ नाउन फॉर्म. सो fertilizer, so using fertilizer together is a kind of noun phrase which I don't want to come to. All right, ठीक है, fine. Yeah, right. ओ आपका इन दिस समर इन लास्ट, ठीक है, समझा मैं क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. आपने वो इन दिस समर आप लिखे थे? नो, ओके फाइन. ये इन छोड़ देते हैं. लास्ट नाइट में ना वो बात रह जाता है इनका सेंस. मतलब कल रात के अंदर और कुएं के अंदर में फर्क है. कुएं इज मोर फिजिकल, सो यू हैव टू इन द वेल, यू हैव टू राइट. लास्ट नाइट, लास्ट समर, जब ऐसे लास्ट विंटर, जब वैसे सीजन्स बोल रहे हो, डेज बोल रहे हो, लास्ट जनवरी मंथ बोल रहे हो, ईयर बोल रहे हो, तब इनकी जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, फाइन. द स्टोरी वाज टोल्ड लास्ट नाइट बाय माय फ्रेंड. नाइस वन. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्म्स? Open the, yeah, give the mic to her. Yeah.
My friend told me this story last night. Yeah, my friend told this story last night. To me भी होना चाहिए.
No, to me not necessarily.
So it will.
My friend,
My friend told this story last night.
last night my friend told this story. That is another way. Yeah. Fine. Okay, let's do it orally for a moment. Pick a sentence from the word family to and make a sentence with be plus fifth form. Can you sit there and do? I'll be even happier.
It was very good that you do. It doesn't take so much time. For example, I pick the word video. I'm not watching the video.
Yes.
Very simple.
I'm going to buy.
Yeah.
potatoes.
Shall we start from that side? Do you need some more time?
Okay.
I'm going to buy some potatoes.
Okay, fine. So keep passing on the mic. We'll see it like that, how quickly we get. Hey, no, that is.
Every word is good.
I mean, I don't know. I'm taking a very random ideology. I'm not bothering about any ideology at the moment. No, I mean, make it fun, make it fair. I mean, don't go very deep. That's why I didn't call you to the board. Sorry? No, I don't think so. It's not in the B plus fifth form, I thought.
Okay.
Yeah, come again. I'm not studying geometry at the moment. I mean, B plus fifth form, I tell you what, B plus fifth form is the simplest, the easiest form in English of all four forms, yes? You should never make a mistake in that. Huh? Oh, really? No, please don't. You make a sentence. Because this is not really difficult. Because you guys were doing more difficult things here. It's just that I am telling you to give it orally. You are a bit nervous, I guess. I don't think it's that difficult. Okay, I don't fix any word family. Take any from this page. Any word family. Any word. Any word you feel like. B plus fifth form, you remember? I'm trying to believe that you don't. B matlab was, were. Remember these things? Is, am, are, plus verb, plus ing. This is the thing, now do it.
The pure who was sleeping last night
Mike.
was fired.
You have a habit of going into the complex sentences, I can figure out. When you are, just make it simple. What is the word you chose? Tell me.
Pune.
Peon, okay.
Yeah. So I said the pune who was sleeping last night was fired.
Who was sleeping last night? Okay, I take this sentence. Okay, fine, take it. The poet was writing a poetry. The sentence. Okay, pass on the mic. Fine.
I was searching for the poems of Sri Ramdhari Singh Dinkar in the library.
Very beautiful.
He is trying to catch the pigeon.
He's trying to catch the prisoner.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Oh,
Where is the word?
Third.
Word family pure.
pigeon. Okay. There might be what I heard prison. That's why I said that's fine. But even you made prisoner, that was also fine. So it's not prisoner. I was thinking in that line. But yeah, correct. Nice. Okay. Now pass it on.
The surgeon is doing surgery. A surgeon is doing surgery.
Hmm. Yeah, one more.
Yes, I am eating potatoes.
No, all potatoes has been bought by her, so you don't have a potato anymore to buy. All right, so give me something else except potatoes. Yeah.
I am not going EPP class tomorrow.
Yes. 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 Just write the sentence you wrote last time first. So I'll explain. You remember the sentence that you wrote last time? The yield of the farm was improved by using fertilizers. That's what you wrote. So as I was saying then, so here, what is the subject? Using fertilizers. So, right. This is a funny thing, you know. I'll give you. I'll tell you. So he told me. इतना ही एक सेंटेंस है. क्या क्या पार्ट है इस सेंटेंस में? एक सब्जेक्ट है, एक वर्ब है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है और कितने वर्ड्स है? 3. अब विश्वास नहीं करोगे, इसमें ही उतना ही है और कुछ नहीं है. वर्ड्स इतने ज्यादा है. दिस इज सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है? So you get the drift, do you? That it's not how many words or how big a sentence is, what the structure says. That's what you have to find out. That makes your job easier. Okay? So when you look at this sentence in this form, then it doesn't seem that difficult, isn't it? It's pretty straightforward, just like this. You will do everything in 5 seconds. So that's why sometimes when changing from active to passive or passive to active, we have to be careful about the content of, about the structure of the subject and the structure of the object. They might come in very different forms. So don't miss them. Just like you are a bit doubtful among fertilizer or using fertilizer, right? So don't have that doubt. Try to clear that doubt. So we'll yeah. No, that depends on the sentence, which is passive or which is active. It is just about converting the one to other, no? So yeah, in this sentence, but not in this sentence. Okay, that's what you are doing, making object to subject. So yeah, fine. And because you have to make an object subject, that is why it is mandatory for an object to be noun. Because can you make other things a subject except noun or pronoun? No. Only nouns or pronouns can be subject, and so are objects. Okay. So we will have a few maybe. Okay. Let me write a sentence perhaps. Hold on. And we will do it orally. Okay, tell me one thing, even I will not write. Falling leaves indicate winter. Can you follow what I am saying? Falling leaves indicate winter. Now change it to other form. What is this form first of all? Active. Active, correct. So change it to passive. Winter is indicated by falling leaves. So what is the subject here? What is the object here? Sorry. Yeah, all of you correct which form you are considering, right? Falling leaves. So falling leaves were the subject and falling leaves are the object in different forms depending on whether it is active or passive. The important thing that we are suggesting is not only leaves, falling leaves. Okay. Though falling is an adjective here, not exactly noun, but still fills the bill. Okay. Maybe something else we'll try. Okay. The scarcity of water in summer, you can write if you want, yeah. The scarcity of water in the summer causes a lot of problems. Scarcity of water. Any other ideas? Yeah, this is all right. Yeah. Okay, so we leave it at that today, maybe. Good.